How to use parental control in Pinterest. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Pinterest. To set up parental control on Pinterest, you can log into your teen's account. So consider this to be your teen's account, alright? Open up your Pinterest application and then log into your account or log into their account. Then click on the profile initials from the bottom right corner. Tap the three-dot icon and go to Settings. As you go to the Settings section, click on Account Management from the list and select Parental Passcode. So here you should be able to find these Parental Passcode option. Since my age above 18 years, so this following option isn't available. But here you should be able to find these option, that is parental control, and follow the on-screen prompt to create a 4-digit passcode and link your email for verification as well. This passcode logs account management, privacy and social settings, and it will expire when the teen turns 18. So this is how you could use a parental control in Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.